Hail Mallrat hobbyists, this is the OCM Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. In this video we will be unboxing this Warhammer 40,000 Tau Empire Fire Warriors. So, straightforward, it's a Fire Warrior box set. Let's get to it. Okay. So first I already checked what's inside. So it's Copyright Games Workshop 2022. This is the new this is the repackage and re-release of the Fire Warriors for the 10th edition of Warhammer 40k. Okay. As you can see, before they used to be just a Fire Warrior squad, but now they're split into a strike team or a breacher team. This is the newer box set, which includes different kinds of drones and whatever that thing is. I don't play Tau, guys. I'm a Tyranid and Imperial Guard player, but I do like Tau models for the bits because my guard use their tech. So let's take a look what's inside. Okay, been a while since I opened this. Okay, so it should have updated 10th edition at least stuff in it. Okay. Oh yeah, of course, Tau has stuff for drones. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's put that there. You have the manual here. We'll go through that in a while. I think the transfers are here, yes. Okay, bases. You have flying bases and then 3 sprues, which we'll check out in a while. So first, the bases. Okay, there is a 40mm base for the thing. Let's figure out what that thing is. Tau players, tell me what the thing is. It's a support turret. Okay, so it's a support turret. So there's a 40mm base for the support turret. Okay, this should be 10 25mm bases for the Fire Warriors themselves. Okay, so should be 10 of these. But sometimes GW overpacks for one reason or another. So let's see. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really? Well, guess so. There are 9 bases. Should there be 10? Let's see the box. Yeah, there should be 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we missing one, guys? Yeah, I think we're missing one. That sucks. Unless they have stuck to each other. There should be 10 bases, but there are 9. That sucks, but I have a ton of them. But anyway, that sucks for the video, because you're supposed to get 10 bases, 10 25mm bases. There are 9 right here. So sometimes they overstock, but sometimes they understock. And there are 2 small, these are the 32mm small flying bases with their appropriate double stands. These are for the drones, of course. Okay. So there's a transfer sheet here. It's the typical Tau 2015 transfer sheet. Yeah, in Tau Empire infantry decals. It tells all the decals you'll need for the viewerless set of most of the big most of the battle suits in the infantry. So breacher team, strike team, these are the ones you'll be needing. Pathfinders, Storm Surge, Broadside, Stealth, Enforcer, Cold Star, Ghost Skill, Riptide, and Crisis. Okay, so yeah. Now let's check out the manual. I'm still bummed that I'm missing a base. I'm bummed that I'm missing a base. Okay, so the manual is for 10th edition now. Before assembling Revengers, blah 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 blah. Fire Warriors 40k, yeah. Hey, so first page is of course telling you how to make the drones, and this does have enough bits. So unlike the original plastic Fire Warrior box, the re-release will have more bits so that you can make different kinds of drones. Gun drones, guardian, what wrong? Guardian drones, I never encountered these. Shield drones and marker drones, of course. Okay. And then for the support turret, there's a here. Here you go. So it looks like a, what is that? Smart missiles? Well, I don't know. Missiles for your support turret. For your Fire Warriors, you can either assemble them with pulse rifles for the strike team, and I think those are pulse carbines, are they? For the breacher team. Okay. Okay. So there are enough bits to make that. Of course, there are bits to make your sergeant or your what's the Tao term for that? Chasseur or something. Okay. Over here. Wait, where the sergeant-y bits. Okay. Yeah, well, we'll see them on the sprue. We'll see him on the sprue. Okay. Oh, I think that's him. That's it. Anyway, so there. That's your Fire Warrior manual. Okay, so let's check out the sprues. Okay, so these are the newer Fire Warrior packaged sprues. Let's move this a little bit. Let's see the markings. So there are no labels on this one. Okay, because there's supposed to be 3 sprues attached to each other. There you go. Games Workshop 2014. So these are the 2014 issue of the Fire Warriors, which is why they're a bit more bits. You can see. So let's take a look at sprues. So one sprue has the bodies. So 10. These are 10 bodies, 10 torsos, and these are 8 legs. The other legs are probably there on the other sprue. Okay. Actually, I see 8 legs on this sprue. I see more than 2 over there. So with fine, handy modeling skills, you'll be able to make extra Fire Warriors if you want, or convert your I don't know, Pathfinders or Sniper Team or something. Okay. Anyway, so this sprue has the pulse rifles, and then I think those are carbines. Okay. And some pistols. Okay, so that's sprue number 1, I guess. There's no numbering on the sprue. Second sprue has bits. There are a ton of heads. So this one has 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th leg here that has another leg somewhere. There you go. So it comes with 12 legs. 10 bodies, 12 legs. So you can make more if you want. Just need extra bases and some modeling skills. You have a ton of heads. How many heads do you have? Wait, let's place this here. How many heads do you have? That's these are the ones that are on this sprue. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's 21, 20, at least 26 heads for 10 bodies. This is great for sprues. If you wanna use them as, I don't know, base decoration or something, there's a lot of bits here for you. And I play primarily Tyranids and Imperial Guard, so I will be using these Tau heads for base decoration, of course. And then the last sprue has the shoulder guards, the pauldrons. Okay. Yeah, there are at least 10 pairs, of course. Has some bits. Has the drone bits. You can see the drone tops over here, and then the support turret bit. So there you can see the missile. What is that? That does look like a smart missile system. Does it? No, a missile pod. It's a missile pod. Okay. So there's a missile pod, which I guess you can attach to a drone. There's tiny little what looks like a rail rifle. So you can make a sniper drone or something out of this. I'm not sure. Anyway, so drone bits, tons of heads, way more legs. Well, a couple more legs than bodies. Hey, but those are the 3 sprues that come with a box. Take note, you're supposed to get 10 of the 25mm bases. I got 9, so sucks. But you guys saw, I opened it on video live, well, at least recorded on video. I opened that on video. So GW asks, I got 10. I got 9. Okay, I got 9. I need one more GW anyway. So 3 sprues bases for the fire warriors, support turret base, and then drone bases. Stickers or dry transfer decals, the manual, and the box. And that's it, guys. So that concludes our unboxing for the Warhammer 40,000 Tau Empire Fire Warrior box set, repackaged 2022 for Warhammer 40k 10th edition. Of course, the sprues are a bit older, part of the 2015 refresh. It's been 10 years. Maybe Tau need a new refresh, but Dark Elder's getting them right now, so we'll see what happens. Okay. Anyway, there you go, guys. If you liked what you saw, give the video a like for the greater good. Okay? Give the video a like for the greater good. Subscribe to the channel. Take note, this is the OCM Hobbies channel where all our hobby stuff is. Our main channel is on the OC Mallrat at YouTube. Okay. Anyway, see you guys in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat for the greater good. Out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. For the greater good, guys. Fire Warriors.